Hey everybody, a modification I made that I didn't do a video of doing it, but I did some photos, so I'll show you what I did and I'll insert photos of when I did it. So I used to have the air pressure, just winter visor there. I took that off because I don't need it, and I put a hose bib. So now I'm outside. If I want to hook up water, there we go. I can put a hose on it, I can fill a bucket, whatever I want. And if you don't put the water pump on, it'll come out slow. If you put the water pump on, you're going to have pressure. So it's on the cold line, the low drain, and it doesn't affect anything with the drain. And when I want to winterize it, I'm just going to buy the little one that goes on here. And it goes right on here. So that's all I did. So that's what I did. Quick modification, and I'll be able to get water outside. Whether I want to hose down the RV or fill up a bucket or put out a fire. Okay, have a good day.